Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
स्थितलो बाबा गव्हर्नराच्या कानार घालून ताणें बाबा आपले वाटेन एफर्ट्स घेवन हें बेगींतल्या बेगीन आमकां सॉल्व करून दिवचें. गव्हर्नरान ह्या विशयाचेर पयलीं येवन मेळिल्ले आमी ताका ते पॉझिटीव आसा आनी तांकां हो विशय डिटेल खबर आसा. सो तो म्हणटा गोंयची जर इकॉनॉमी चलतली, गोंयच्या लोकांक जर कितें हें जाल्यार मायनींग बेगींतल्या बेगीन चालू जावपाक हो ताजें ओपिनियन आसा.
Today they cannot find alternate employment. There is sufficient study actually done on the economic health of the state, how much the state has lost, about 5,000 crores every year, and foreign exchange, district mineral funds, so many things which the state and which the people are falling short on because mining has been stopped. But there is no study which has been done on the mental health. The mental health, because of banks calling for repayment of loans, because of no employment, there is serious depression. The mental health, mental equilibrium is affected. Today, because of COVID times, this is what they were telling me, cases of domestic violence are increasing because people are contained in their houses. They have to vent out frustration somewhere. So what is happening in the villages is very, very grim. The only solution appears to be proper resumption of mining. And this is what we have moved the Honorable Supreme Court, because as the voice of the people, these people are elected representatives. 26 panchayats totally account for about 1.3 lakh, 1.5 lakh population. In 2014 itself, the Honorable Supreme Court had taken note of the arguments of the panchayat that about 1.5 lakh people are dependent on mining. This is the point which we made also to the governor today inside. The governor is fully appraised of the situation. Some other points which we have mentioned to him, he has taken note of. He is absolutely positive. He is also of the view that resumption of mining would be the best solution for improving the plight of Goa and all people in the village.